As the weather radar signals an incoming snow event, Shakopee Public Works employees plan how to maintain safe driving conditions on city roads. Like clockwork, all available staff get behind the wheel to clear Shakopee streets.
So we clear off the main emergency routes first, and then we go do the interior streets, and then we go back again and re-scrape our collectors, emergency routes, and then we try to clean up with cul-de-sacs and sidewalks.
Typically, plow drivers are activated early in the morning.
When we know a storm's coming, we try to plan it to where the storm is hopefully going to be over, and we try to gauge that on what time we're going to come in the morning. Typically it's between 2 and 6:30, but every storm is different.
Public Works supervisors connect with street maintenance operators through text message, typically giving staff 6 to 8 hours notice. The early morning hours can be difficult, but there are advantages to an early start.
There's hardly any vehicles around. It's actually pretty quiet. That's the best time. When there's no traffic, no kids, no buses.
But the job isn't without its challenges. Plow drivers dodge obstacles, including vehicles parked on the street overnight, which is a violation of city ordinance across most of the city. More commonly, they are forced to avoid trash containers placed in the road.
You could put your garbage can in your driveway. That would be the best thing, because when we go around during garbage day, it's like zigzagging up and down the street, and they're just obstacles in the way that make us have to come back at a later time to clean up the street.
When plows return to these areas, they recover previously shoveled driveways. By keeping vehicles and cans off the road, you prevent this from happening. Let's work together to keep our streets safe during the winter months.